Hello. Well, in this video, I'm going to share a bit with you how to sell on LinkedIn because look at this, right? I receive very frequently this kind of messages. Hi, this is Kayo from consulting. We have till already made cryptos. Look, he's talking in plural, right? And at the end, this one is in Spanish, but it is exactly the same. He's offering his products. I have never talked to these guys. I have never mentioned that I had any intention of looking for this kind of products, and I'm receiving these offers every day, right? And most probably you are receiving the same, right? So these people are trying to sell when I have not expressed any kind of interest or said that I was looking for this kind of products, and we have never met before, and they are directly asking me to marry them, So this is not a way to sell, right, on LinkedIn. And the truth is that on LinkedIn you can see that there's more people offering things than people purchasing things, and this is a huge problem of LinkedIn platform because Microsoft they don't have much purpose on this platform. I mean, they purchase this platform, they are doing look and feel changes, but they are not changing the platform in order to help people to bring customers over this platform. I mean, this platform is all business people trying to sell you things, There's too many people trying to sell you things, and too few, right? Just a few looking for something, and it is very difficult to find who's looking for what because there is not clear a question and answer feature, So the interest of people looking for something that they are potential people that you can sell them is people that they are asking, making questions, they need something to get fixed, right? And it is in that moment where you are able to sell them something, right? So look at this, right? Well, people are self-promoting, He says that, he's very happy to have done something, and people are always here self-promotion and not just helping others, that this is all about, right? If I go, you can read your timeline, right? But this is all ads, This guy is trying to sell his services, he's talking in plural, and then there are of course the paid ads, and it is very difficult to find here any opportunity, right? But you come to this video in order to learn how to sell here, right? Well, the first thing that you need to do is filter people by their tagline, right? You can see here that there's people that they mention directly their company, right? So the purpose of these people in this platform is to sell, right? Every time you see a name and the company that they work for, in many cases there are their own companies, right? They are here just to sell you something, right? So the first way you should filter people by their tagline here, because if they say that they are here, if they say I am a student, okay, this is you are a student. They say I'm here to help you, whatever. I am an expert of something, okay. If you are an expert of something, you are here with a personal purpose, which is good, right? You are saying, okay, I am an expert on this, so if you're looking for something like this, you can contact me, right? But the person that they use directly the name of their company, they are here to sell, right? And that's the reason why they approach like these examples that they share with you, right? So here, this is a statement for selling you something, start a crypto blockchain business in Estonia. Or here, this one, he says he's a consultant in this company. And when he approaches to me, he says, okay, again, I am a consultant on this company, and I would like to share my products, my portfolio of products with you, So you can filter first people based on this tagline, because if they are mentioning a company, most probably they are using this with a commercial purpose, right? The next thing is to understand that directly in this platform, it is very difficult to initiate a sales process, right? The only way is to find conversations, to join the conversation, to look what are the needs of others, right? Don't approach to me with your offer. because I have not asked anything, right? I was not looking actively about anything about your products or services, So if I purchase your services, I'm just here trying to fix your problem. Your problem is that you need to make sales, But the way to sell is by approaching people and trying to fix their problems. And the way to fix that is by joining conversations, finding which is the problem. But it is very difficult because you should find questions, right? And the way to find questions is not the people that they are again trying to sell you something, because look at this. I come here, let's see, here I'm filtering here by blockchain, right? This is blockchain, and they offer you join a webinar. Okay, you go down, people self-promoting of things, right? If anyone is interested in, so this guy is trying to sell you something, you are invited a new webinar. Are you looking for, it's not that someone asked, okay, how can I fix something? And then you go as an expert and you help him to fix that. No. This guy is trying to sell and he's saying, okay, are you looking for... So the way to sell is by questions, but not you as a seller making the question. Look at this. Are you an IT student or IT enthusiast? So he's again trying to filter in order to sell, right? It is not this. You should find real honest questions by people. They are trying to fix something and then approach with your solution. So how is the way to sell in LinkedIn? Well, there are groups. A group is a way that someone, when joins a group, is that he has some kind of interest. You should again to see if they are joining a group just for selling their products or they are joining a group because they have some kind of interest. Look at temporal needs. If someone says he's a consultant and you have a product or service for consultants and you approach, okay, as you're a consultant, I want to sell you something. No, because you have not any temporarily reference, right? You should know that this consultant currently is looking for something, right? If there is not some action that is happening today by this guy, you cannot approach him to sell him anything, right? So the way to approach them is by joining groups, but the truth is that LinkedIn has nearly killed the groups on this platform. So again, how to sell in this platform? Okay, I don't recommend you currently to pay any premium membership here because it is not worth it. The way is to prepare your profile in order to receive queries from people that they have discovered you in your own platform, in your own website, on internet, and they are just researching who is this guy, okay? You should prepare not for the first approach, but think, okay, someone has discovered me in any place, in any social media, in any platform, and now he wants to know who is this guy, who's his guy, and you should answer him in your profile, okay? This is the way to help to make sales by using this platform, right? So this is my recommendation in this video is don't try to approach to people to self-promote yourself like this. Don't try to contribute to make worse this platform, because this platform it is not good. Here this is not a marketplace. Here there aren't customers, so there is more professionals, a lot of professionals self-promoting, professionals trying to make sales. So just prepare your profile in order to be a landing page for people that they are just trying to answer one question. Who is this guy? Who is you, right? Who is you? I want to know who is you. I have discovered you in any other platform. I want to know more about you. What are your interests? What are you here offering, right? What are you here to deliver, right? What are you here to deliver? Not just to sell, but to deliver, to help people, right? What are the problems that you fix, right? And use this platform to share useful things that they are useful for others. Don't try to sell anything if they have not asked or shown any kind of interest for your products, for your services. Of course, you can mention what do you do for a living, but don't try to approach people like this that I've been sharing with you, right? Because this doesn't say anything positive for you. I have not interest to accept these queries, because these people, if I accept, that we have 30,000 connections. This is the maximum connections that I can create with LinkedIn. I'm very close to that, because with some years I'm very close to that. So now I don't want to grow my connection with people that they are not interested on me, they are not interested in what I do, they are just approaching and wasting my connections number just to sell their products. So, well, this is all I had to share with you today. I hope that you found useful this video. Please click like or subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.